Today, I'd like to talk about different kinds of reporting verbs. You may already know the difference between say and tell. Look at this sentence. Grace said that she was moving to Vancouver. But can I say, Grace told that she was moving to Vancouver? No, that doesn't work. We need a person after tell. Grace told me that she was moving to Vancouver. Can I say, Grace said to me that she's moving to Vancouver? Yes, that one is also correct. But notice we need the preposition to. First, let's talk about verbs like say. These verbs may or may not have an indirect object. But when there is an indirect object, it always follows the preposition to. Here are some examples. Admit, explain, mention, reply, say. So I can say, I said that there are different kinds of reporting verbs. Or, I said to you that there are different kinds of reporting verbs, but not. Let's look at another type. Verbs with no indirect object. Some common examples are agree, answer, know, think, and state. My teacher thinks that English grammar is easy. I know that English grammar is difficult. I stated that English has a lot of rules. My teacher agreed that I was right. Remember, the word that is optional in these types of noun clauses. My teacher thinks English grammar is easy. Some verbs require an indirect object. Examples of these verbs are inform, notify, remind, and tell. Our professor notified our class that the final exam is on Monday. She informed us that we will have 2 hours to complete the exam. My classmate reminded me that we also have a project due on Monday. I told her that I will probably not sleep at all this weekend. Finally, there are also verbs you can add a person to if you want. Promise, warn, write. Let's look at some examples. I promised that I would be on time today. Or, I promised Margaret that I would be on time today. She warned the traffic would be heavy. Or, she warned me that traffic would be heavy. I've explained to you that there are different kinds of reporting verbs. And now, I advise you to try using these verbs in your own speech and writing.